castle should not have existed. We had flown beyond all known maps past the final frontier. And yet there it was, ancient, waiting. A golden kingdom and a massive engraved door. A staircase ascended, in a room a wheel within a wheel, spinning on its own. Golden statues, faces eerily lifelike. At the center, an ancient map etched into stone. Who were they, these builders of stone and ice? Did they vanish or were they erased? The air was heavy, the silence unnatural as our team studied each room. The others hesitated, but it was not over. Inside ancient thrones, still occupied by skeletal remains, stared back at us. We were not the first to stand here. It was here that I knew this place was never lost. It was abandoned, left behind for reasons we were not meant to understand. The ice did not bury it. It protected it from us.